A special meeting, more than 2 hours long Sunday afternoon, was closed to the public for much of it. But the Middletown Public Schools Board of Education is moving ahead with finding an acting superintendent. Meanwhile, board members declined to take action regarding the employment status of Alberto Vázquez Matos, who's on paid leave.
We're unclear. We're hoping to move as swiftly as possible, but also maintaining as much due diligence as we need to do to ensure that whoever the interim superintendent ultimately ends up being is someone who is highly qualified and appropriate for the position.
Middletown Public Schools Board of Education is working quickly, even on the weekend, to hire an acting superintendent, as current superintendent Alberto Vázquez Matos faces a DUI charge in Hillsborough County, Florida from back in July. Sunday, board members appointed themselves to the personnel committee search to find Vázquez Matos' replacement. There aren't any timeline requirements to get the acting superintendent in place, and the only thing now certain for Vázquez Matos is receiving that paycheck while at home.
He remains on paid administrative leave as of this moment.
The Board of Education's 9 members unanimously voted to place Vázquez Matos on paid leave Thursday evening. Board members also don't have expectations for how long the legal process in the Florida courthouse will take, but hope to get the superintendent situation sorted out as soon as they can.
So we don't have a timeline in mind, and we're not going to stick to a timeline. We want to, certainly move as quickly as possible. However, again, we want to make sure due diligence is taken and all the appropriate steps and matters are addressed.
How dependent are kind of the next steps on sort of the legal kind of ramifications down in Florida that Matos faces?
Unfortunately, I can't comment on that at this point in time.
And the Board of Education already had a meeting scheduled for Monday evening at 6 o'clock to go over regular agenda items, but board members say Vázquez Matos will also likely be brought up there. In Middletown, Tim Latow, Fox 61.